That's gonna be a big snook. Oh, he's up underneath that boat too. Oh, I think he came loose still. Oh, we're riding up under the barnacles. Oh, it's gonna be a snook. Yeah, it's a snook. I need him to calm down. That's about an 18. That's about an 18-inch snook. I hope he doesn't get me hooked. God dang, he needs to calm down. Wow. See, I'm like hooked in the lower lip. Dang, he just left. Much enough for that. Wow. God dang. Freaking got off the freaking hook. There you go. How's that one? For a snook, right? Out of season though. There we get hit by another jack. Oh yeah. What the heck is that? A snook? Are you kidding me? I picked off a snook? Wow. I picked off a snook. God dang, dude. The snook picked me off. A snook picked me off. Well. Oh, that's a small one. And it actually might be a snapper, I think is what that is. Nope, it's not. It's a little jack. That was actually perfect shark bait right here. These things are all over out here. These little jacks right here. He's actually got a grunt now. Maybe you guys can see that. It's a little grunt, a little jack. I thought it was a snook, but it was too late. Figured it was gonna be too late to be a snook. He's got his spikes out, so he's hard to get. Oh, he's got his spikes out, so this is gonna be tricky for me to get this out. God dang! I need him to close his dorsal fin so I can get his freaking hook out. I got my pliers over there. Okay, got it. I'm gonna try to take him over here and let him go. That's a little jack right here. It's actually pretty good for shark bait. I took my pilchard. Actually ate one of my pilchards though.